Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting the device you'll use and ensuring it meets the basic needs. Plug in or pair a high-quality mic. Make sure your battery is above 50% and storage has room. Once done, open the Recorder app or system settings and grant microphone and background recording permissions so recording can run unattended. Set audio format and sample rate now. This affects file size and clarity, so choose 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz for speech. Save a quick test file to confirm levels. You now create the automation rules that start and stop recording. Pick a trigger such as a recurring schedule, motion sensor, incoming call, or a sound threshold. This determines reliability. Then specify recording length, pre-roll of a few seconds, and whether to split long sessions into smaller files. Make sure to enable Cloud Sync and choose encryption if privacy matters, and set a clear file name template like date, time, source name. Once configured, run a simulated trigger to verify the automation fires and saves correctly. You finish by running a complete automated cycle and inspecting the resulting files for integrity and correct timestamps. Make adjustments to gain and noise reduction to improve clarity, and disable aggressive battery or thermal sleep features that can stop background tasks. Once satisfied, schedule periodic backups and retention rules. If automation fails, first confirm permissions and available storage, then review trigger logs and update the app or firmware. If problems persist, reboot the device and retest. This resolves most hidden conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.